Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you a quick flip through of my A6 Traveler's Notebook. It's a chunky one, it's starting to get there. Okay, so this is my temporary one. I'm waiting on my Foxy Fix Sugar Mochi number 3. I wanted to try out the size before committing to it, and I love it. I love the size so far. It's perfect for me. I can carry it. I can take it everywhere I go, so it's perfect. So let's dive into it. Okay, so this is my first dashboard. And this is some of the die cuts and then a bookmark that came in the February Planner Society kit. Most of my stuff is from the kit, as you'll see. So this one is vellum from Planner Press on Etsy. And this is the acetate from the kit. This is a die cut from Lavin Forest on Etsy. Look how cute that is. It reminds me of me and my best friend, so that's perfect. And this is a planner, monthly planner that I have from 1407 Planners. And this is a bookmark from the kit. Look how pretty that is. Right? Okay, so I have some, oh my goodness, they're like falling off. Some sticky notes from Target Dollar Spot on the back of that. Also from Target Dollar Spot. So I decorated the inside of this dashboard, like this is one notebook, and then I decorated inside of it because I'm waiting on a Foxy Fix dashboard, and I'm going to use this as like the cover. So I just pre-decorated it because I just don't want this to go to waste, you know? This one says, "Hello, Planner Girl." So cute. This is my second dashboard. And then inside there's a card pocket that came in the kit. Then I just stuck some die cuts in here. This is the vellum from the kit from Planner Press. And this is a little dashboard card that I got from Wild Summer Designs in size, I think micro or nano. Yeah, but I'm just using it as a journal card. It's so pretty. Like, look at that. Yeah, so this is my weekly, you know. I got so excited with decorating with stickers that I pre-planned the whole damn thing. So I left some blank spots for some of the stickers that will be arriving later. But yeah, so this is also from the 1407 Planners. It's like week on 2, I guess, because it's on 2 pages. But yeah. So this is the sticky from the kit, sticky notes. I just stuck a chunk of it in there. Again, the back of the dashboard that will soon turn into a front. This is like the laser cut pocket insert from the kit. It's so pretty. And that just sits outside my third insert and dashboard. This one says, don't forget to be awesome. So this is an acetate from the kit. Look how pretty that is. Sorry about the glare. From Planner Press, and this is just like my lists and my notes, which I will skip over, you know, so there you go. And this is actually a bag that came in the kit that contained all the vellums and acetate. I just cut it down to size and made it into a little folder to hold all my stickers from Coffee Monsters Co. I love their stickers. They're so cute. I'm collecting them right now. And then I also have, this is my little debt repayment insert that I kind of use. And then from Any Plans, printables, and then I have brush lettering exercise notebook. I just finished the other book, so I started a new one today. And this is from Yellow Paper House. And then the back of it, I just have a little clear pocket that was actually a name tag, and I just stuck it on here to hold all my stickers because, you know, why not? So I have some stickers from the Planner Society kit. They're so pretty, but I told myself that I'm not going to hoard them. And fearlessly and aggressively use these stickers. That's what I'm gonna do. Anyway, I hope you liked my video. I hope you guys come back for more. I will upload more videos later. But thank you for watching. Bye.